Tinapog ng QP kasi sa design, ano ko yung QP ka nag-submit eh. Hindi lang sinamit.
So, kinuha ka uli?
Ako mismo nagpasabit sa mga kaibigan ko. Yung naguluhan sila kung ano gagawin sa akin. Sabi ko, hindi, terminated niyo ako eh. Ngayon, bago mag-rata.
Okay.
Bigyan ako na.
May gandagdag.
Bigyan ako ng mga
Okay na. So, may papunan ka na konti, di ba?
Ngayon, nakuha ko na. Saka ngayon, nag-start ko rin.
Pareho ka lang. Swerte mo, no?
Ikaw lang yung may ganyan sa iyo. Kasi ang iba nag-request na kuhunin yung hindi talaga bigay yan. Ikaw, naguluhan sila.
Hindi mo naman kasalanan. Tinerminate ka, di ba? Sino na? Wala pa tayong participant online. Okay naman sa 3-story na yun sa'yo na, sir. Itutuloy lang natin kasi yung nakaraan para papagandahin natin. I-share screen ko na to para pag walang dumating. Ito, sir, structural.
Nabago ko yung format ng ko eh.
Hindi yung isang section na structural ako.
Hindi, ito. Nag-draft ko eh.
Ay,
paano ito eh?
Nag-draft ko sa mga. Moto ka din tigil.
Pero may refine na moto ka kasi mabilis na.
Oo. Saka yun, moto ka din, naka-ano na siya. 24.
Pwesto siya ng
Nakalabas yung blue. Hindi siya pumupunta yun.
Pero dito sir, yung focus wiper, yung process.
Yung process yan. Focus. In focus sa ikaw yung ayun na, yung si Pimeli.
Ay, ito lang siya?
Yung kasama natin na
Female.
Female. Good evening, Madam Pimeli. Madam Fem. Can you hear me?
Pinay siya.
Pilipino po. Yan. Nag-chat siya. Yes, okay. Alright. Okay, you can see my screen na, ma'am. Ayan, okay. Alright. Mag-start tayo ng lecture at exactly 6:30. Close ko lang itong sa structures kasi ito. Yan. May tanong ka ba, ma'am, dun sa yung unang exercise natin? Bubuksan ko yung Revit batch na. Ito yung ginawa natin. Ba't ako may dito? Overhang. Ginawa natin ang overhang. So, ito sir, image na to, kaya yan, hindi na siya na, ano, andito na yan. Yung sa ginawa mo sir, meron ka ng rendering folder. Tignan mo yung folder mo na yun. Dito, yung folder ng rendering. Nandun na yan. Click mo yung plus sign.
Set sa may camera?
Hindi, dito sir, yung sa project browser mo, sa pinaka-ilalim, before yung legends, meron yan renderings folder. Lumabas.
Anderson,
Separate folder yan.
ay, ano pala, hindi pala nabura yan, no?
Kasi image na yan. Image. Hindi na. Pwede na tayo mag-start. Sige, naka-record naman to, no? Start na tayo.
Dating na sir.
Parating na? Ayun. Magkasama ba kayo niyan? Si isa? Oo. Ano naman siya? Mechanical din. Electrical. Mechanical din. Sino bang ano niyo doon? Ang MEP subcontractor. Subcon. Trucks. AAC meron na wala. Yung Arabian Transportation. Pero naging ano niya na yun. Naging subcontractor niya na yun. Magaling yung mga yun eh. Sila yung subcon namin nung nasa Shapurji ako, Indian company. 2014. Nag-aano na kami nun eh. Yung clash detection. Tapos magaling silang yung pagka-ayusin namin yung ducting. Siyempre, pagka yung above ceiling, di ba? Mga pipes, madaan ganyan. Kailangan mag-resize. Di ba? Paliitin, gano'n.
Flashing.
Oo, kasi nagka-clash. Pagka mataas yung ano, panipisin natin, mas pahabain. May mga calculation pa yun, di ba? Library, kompleto na may library niyan, ano? Yung pagka may ano kayo. Oo. Let's say, halimbawa, i-check natin. Punta ka dito sa, ano sir, yung components. Yan. Si ano din, si Ma'am Pimenez. Pwede nating ma-check yung contents ng library niya dito. If you click on, yan, tapos click mo yung load family. Yan, load family. Ulitin natin, ha. Dito tayo sa architecture. Tapos click mo yung component. Tapos, load family. Makikita mo yung laman ng library mo dyan. So, yun sa akin. Under US, ito yung mga folder mo dapat dyan. May annotations, casework, columns. Yan. Pero yung sa inyo, kompleto naman yung laman ng library nyo. Oh, ito kasi under nito, yung pag pinuntahan niyo yung library niyo, check natin yung library. Dito sir, punta kayo sa insert. insert tab, tapos click nyo yung load family.
Nasa sa
Ito, insert tab, yan.
Okay.
Tapos click nyo yung load family. Ayan, automatically po, pupunta yan dun sa library nyo. Usually dito sa English. Minsan English metric.
Kasi English yan.
Make sure dito tayo sa English ito.
English, sa English, ano?
English lang. Huwag yung English Imperial. Minsan English metric yung tawag. Pero ito sa akin, English nakalagay. Tapos meron dyan US, sir. Meron ba siya US?
Wala. English Imperial lang. English Imperial lang.
Ba't ko lang?
Hindi.
Tapos may English yan.
Meron lang, sir.
Ito, makikita nyo ganyan, yung under na English.
Walang US. Dalawang folder lang. Yung... Pero US.
So, analysis pati. Ako para sa ikas.
Oo. Para sa analysis. Analysis sa kanan.
Try version natin.
Yung time.
Sige sir, i-download natin yung ano. Punta ka sa Autodesk. Tayo natin sa website. Dito kasi sa 2023, hiniwalay na nila yung library. Para mas mababawa sa bigat ng study. Tayo nila dyan sa ano. Yes. Yeah. Nakakalaman nila dati. Tapos, search mo lang dyan sa search mo dyan. Revit 2023 library. May error ako sa pwede mo lang din. Yan ba yung ginamit mo sa pag-download?
Ay, ito sa bang.
Yan sir.
Click ko ba?
Yan. Ayos.
Anong ano niya, sir? Yung Revit 2023 content?
Revit 2023 content.
Ito.
Yan sir.
Click ko siya.
Click mo lang.
Ayun, next.
Yan sir.
Anong i-download, sir?
Yun.
US English.
English. Kasama.
Sa iwalay ng German. Ito yata sir. International.
Ito yung paper. Ay,
Bilis lang natin. Sige, matandaan niya eh. Sa isa hindi. Bakit yun?
Yeah.
Kasi yung mga ako nag-iis na.
Sarap to sir, i-execute ko lang siya.
Oo, sir. Lagay ko lang dito, sir, ha? Place ko lang dito, ha?
Okay, sa...
Wala pa si, ano mo. Tapos si Muhammad, eh. Siguro. Pagkakalain mo sa inyo. Pwede, ano sa next round, ha? Story.
So, madam, why you are very famous from touristic place? Yes. Because they say that they say somebody is not putting leather sheet. Yeah. Because they observe somebody is not putting leather. Just to him, very old photo. Just mistake. Ang gila sinabi na lang sleeping pagsisimalo sa Yalo, presidente Yalo, nung marami sila, hindi kami tinuturuan. Nangingi ng bayad ngayon. Sabi lang, ba't alam mo ito? Sa nungkol niya, pero usapan na kasi nung sabi nung mukupay niya, nung ba yun? 90, ano pa yun? Pa ako, tapos edit ako niya. Tapos natututo ako, isang ng mga paggamit. Yan. Ako, kaya, nag-advance ako eh. Ha? Nag-advance ako. Model. Ang galing ko mag-muscle mo. Ang pinili mo sa mga pag-aaralan ng nasa Saudi na. Tapos nag-3 months try ako. Ako naman, sa trabaho, tinuruan ako ng mga pilihan na ako pag-butol. Tapos nandito pa ako sa... Bilis pa yata mag-download. Ano sa sir? Sir, gold family. Gold family. Yung nag-google. Oh, bilis pa yung nag-download eh. Sabi na tayo naman. Ito na, 53% na siya.
Hindi mo rin mag-sign in. Wala nga ako.
Baka mag-shutdown pa, okay na yan.
Ewan, nandito na.
Yan na yan, sir. Dami yan. Kay Ma'am Fem, kung wala ka pang ano, yung library, ano kaya gagawin natin? Kay Ma'am Fem pala. Ma'am Fem, anong version nung ano mo, nung AutoCAD mo dyan? Nung Revit mo?
Icon capital I and focus 2023.
23. Okay. Please check the library. Ganito ma'am, pakita ko sa iyo kung paano siya i-check yung library. Under Insert, click mo yung Load Family. So supposedly, pupunta ka dun sa folder na Libraries. Tapos, under ng Libraries, meron yan na English. Yung English, dapat yan meron kang 3 folder. Kapag dalawa lang yung folder mo, kailangan nating ma-download yung isa. Ito. Wala pa sila, sir? 37 na. Start na tayo ng... Ayun, dalawa lang daw. Okay. So, din-download mo yung ano mo, ma'am, using your student, your trial version. That's a trial version. Yung Revit mo, is it a trial version? Okay. Meron pa pala account sa school, which is good. So, punta ka ma'am sa ano mo, punta ka sa Autodesk login mo, sa Autodesk website. Then, login ka.
Para magpagsimula, ikaw lang. Ako wala. 10 minutes?
Sabihin, start na natin. May recording naman. Ha?
Okay.
Ayan. Sige ma'am, i-guide na lang kita mamaya para maka-download ka ng ano mo. Okay? Okay, start na po natin yung ano. Yung... nagka-copy pa pala. Tapos na, ma'am, sir. Nasaan na yung folder mo? Lapit na. Saan na yung kinakopya natin? 99% complete. Garan. Ayun. Nadali na. Check. Check plus this. Ayun na. Okay na. Ngayon, ilagay na natin ito doon sa tamang folder mo para hindi ka na naligaw. Yes. You have already did?
This, yes, I am on
You have already sorry. Ay, ikaw, walang dati. Base mo dyan. So yun yung folder, base mo. Naghahabol pa sila pag session. Okay, let's start. So today our session is until 8:30. Okay, we will have two series of lectures. The first lecture will be based on the project that we did last week. So since you just came, just go along, okay? And you will have the access to the video recording of the previous week. Did they send you already? So at your home, you can watch the video and you can just follow into that, okay? Because you are catching up. This is now second session, okay? Don't worry. Okay, so in today's session, we will try to modify and improve our house that we created, which is this. Okay. First, let's start from the roof. If you remember last time, we just created the basic of the roof. Usually the roof will need to have some fascia board and gutter. So if you look here under architecture tab, under roof, you click that small arrow right there. We did roof by footprint last time. Now these the elements at the bottom are the elements of the roof, which is the fascia board and the gutter. So now let's start with fascia. For fascia, make sure you just zoom in into your roof and click on the top line of that edge of the roof. Yeah. Just go around using your middle mouse button and shift key so that you can put fascia all around the roof. Yan, ganyan lang yan sir, ikot ka lang. Okay? So once you completed the entire roof, you are done. You don't need to click enter or escape. That's okay. You can press enter when you're and press escape when you are done. Okay? So the next one is we'll put on the gutter. The same way, click on the roof and then click on roof gutter. This time, make sure that you zoom in and we will click the line which is this space of the, not the inside, but this outer line of the fascia. So that, and then that, then just go around. Make sure it's this line. Do not click the other line so that it will not have any error. Evening. Yeah. We just started, no problem.
Model where I will take.
What is it?
Model where I will get.
You have to make it your own. Okay? If you watch the video, you can create it. The instructions are there.
Yes.
Oh, wait. Tungin mo na sa speaker. May ganun yung mga baka nandun, naklik mo yung box. X mo lang. Pwede click mo. Ito lang. Palagasin mo yung ibang mga. Yeah, go pa siya. Sukin mo para ang subscription. Yeah. Kaya, ang cool. Okay lang yan. Mamaya maglalagay tayo ng link. Kasi nakalagay ka sa visuals.
Pero kami gusto ko lang yung tayo naka-visual sa pero yung kulay.
Gusto mo, lagyan mo na shadow. Ay, lagay mo yung isa, yung 161.
Kunwari, palitan ko yung kulay nito.
Pwede. Pero mamaya yung material mismo lalagay mo.
Set, napapalagay.
O yan, okay na. Naikot mo na, pati yung bilang sa'yo.
Pati... Sinagaling ito, lahat yan.
Napaikot mo sa kabilang sa'yo. Oo. Yan. O, ganun din ang proseso pag lagay mo ng gutter. O, balik ka dito sa... Sundin mo mabuti kasi dalawa yung linya din. Hindi naman ako.
Ano na ako, sir?
Tapos, palitin natin. Yung nang labas ha, yung bibig sa sa punta. Hindi mo lang yan.
Ano tayo?
Ayun sir.
Ano na?
Yung dati natin ginawa. Ito, ayan. Tutuloy lang natin.
Extra.
Ayun, mga dami na. Ang dami na. Di ba?
Saan yung
Papayaman itong padyo.
yung isang ano? Yung guri lang din?
Ay, sa baba mo na ilagay. Okay lang. Dapat dito sa taas. Tapos, ang kapalan dito.
Ang gagawin sila dito?
Book, sir. Book, mga sa 3D view.
Parang board sa bibig.
Ganun lang, ganun lang. May nakaselect eh. Ano nangyari? Kung mas gusto mo mag-ano, minsan, nagdali yung pwede yung ginawa. Ha? Or security. Oo, yan. Tapos, ganito lang yan. Shift, tapos yung middle mouse po. Kailangan mo shift. Ayan, yung pag-ikot din. Sundin na. Yan, common problem. Palitin natin. Hindi naman. Naman yan. Okay na. Ang sila. Okay na. Ulitin mo. Yun ang mga gutter ilalagay natin. Mga gutter. Same way. Yung roof. Hindi, hindi. Next one. Ito lang yun. Kinukuha natin yung command na nasa ilalim ng cover. Yung gutter. So, sumimo. Ito lang ang linyang gusto ko. Yung labas. Ito. Yan. Gusto nyo lang labas. Yan. So, ganun din. Parang dito po sa ito. Yan. Sabi ko, parang makita ito. Yan. Parang ito lang. Kasi pag na-click mo yung labas niya, kung dito, yan. Yan. Ang gulit ko masyado man. Dali mo na makita.
Iba yun yung drive niya. Drive niya ng yung pero sabi ko is coming back. But this starting how we are do this. You something this one.
Yeah, because earlier they had some issues and
You beginning starting to already achieve this one.
yeah, because they were here last week. This is their work last week. So you need to do your homework. Watch the video. Follow it. In English. So okay, those are the two elements of a roof. You have the fascia. So by construction, we need to place the fascia first so that there is a place to put on the gutter to catch the water. Okay. So that is one. We started from the roof. Now we will go down to some of the activities we need to do for the wall. So this is mainly to create design for your walls. Look what will I do. Okay. Let's say, for example, in some cases, you want to change some materials in your building. For example, here, I want half of my wall to become like bricks. So what will I do is I will go to my modify tab. I will use this split element. Okay, so the split element splits the wall. Okay, look what I will do. Click this, and now I will click. If I hover in this side, it will split the wall vertically. If I hover on this side, it will split the wall horizontally. And again, horizontally. So now, if I escape, I now have actually here, how many panels? 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can actually change the wall type on each of these panels. But you have to take note that the thickness of your wall originally is 200 mm. So if you create a wall which is thinner at the bottom and thicker at the top, I mean, constructability wise, it's a problem. So we'll try to create we'll use other walls that will be a little bit thicker or similar to this wall. So what will we do is we'll just select, let's say, this one and use this type of wall, which is, let's say, 200 mm filled. Let's see. Okay. Is it the same? There's no change. Let's use the 225 masonry. So it will be something like that. Okay. And then let's use for this. Let's keep it as it is. Okay. And then this one at the top, let's use masonry again. 225 masonry. Okay. Because we had to split it. Hini-split natin. So that's the split. So practice the split first. So if I click this, now you have 3 types of walls here. So if I want to use another type of wall here, let's say I will use one with bricks. It might be very thick, the other one is thick. Cannot use the other ones. Okay, let's use this other one. It will be a thick wall, but let's see what happens. If go to level 3. This is a very thick wall actually, so this is not ideal. Okay, let's use the similar one. Okay, 40. Let's use this. This I will change this to since it's a top wall, I can use the brick. I will use brick, which is this 90 mm brick. So that's the brick wall over there. So if I click on this and keep it consistent color, you will have something like this. So you have 2 colors of your wall. Okay, don't worry about the color of your roof for now. Later on, we will apply materials. Feel free to do the design as long as you split your walls. I will show you again here to split. So select your, I will put it back to hidden line. Select your wall, okay, and then click this split element. Okay, split element, and then if you click here at the bottom, it will split vertically. For example, here, okay, and another one here, and another one here, another one there. So now, technically, if I click escape, and now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wall panels. If I select this, I can change this to another type of wall, which is 225 masonry. No, I will choose this to become the masonry. 225. This will be 225 also. And this one as well, 225 masonry. So I will have something like that. Okay. So design wise, you can work on it. So if you want to add more cuts, you can select this again, the split element. You can add horizontal cut like here and here. So if you want to change this to, let's say, brick, you can do that as a brick, and also this as a brick. Okay. This one. There's a split element. Okay. Did your Revit open?
Yes.
Okay.
Ano sir, yung bricks.
Nandyan lang yan, sir. Select mo yung wall, tapos pili ka dun sa options.
200, generic 200 mm.
Dalawa yung gagamitin natin. Kasi, ulit mo yan. Yan. Gamitin natin yung masonry. Isa, pili ka ng brick sa taas. Ito, ito. Ganun lang.
Ano ate, di ba?
Yan.
Pagkampo na.
Ito yung brick. Ito na. Grabe na yung balik.
Ano ba ito?
Pero pwede na. Sige, matatas. 90 mm yan. Dalawa. Dalawa. Yan.
Pagka-hatiin siya dito sa baba, pagka
Hindi mo makita. Ayun, ayan. Yan, sorry. Promise mo rin. Yung angulo ko lang medyo, hindi naman ako. Yan.
pwede mong ano, kasi meron lang, pwede rin i-skip yung palitan po. Yung paghati. Parang pag-review yung hati. Hindi yan.
Yes, pwede mo i-adjust.
Kaya-arrange mo na lang ako. Yan. Punta ka dito sa elevation na to.
Hello, Jimmy.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. How much? Okay, come here. I will send the picture. No. I'm not. You know this in front of Jair.
Yung
Okay, message me in WhatsApp. Okay, and then I will get that. Okay. Message me.
yan, itatry natin. Yan, dati, di ba? Pero ano, ganyan. Yun ano, and I'll give you the version because we are using 2023. So, we have 2023, and open yellow. For now, it's quite a lot. Okay. Yeah, okay. You know this and yeah, you can also. Okay na yan. Palit ko na yung material. Napalitan na yun. Ano stress? Ano yung graphics ano? Bukas ang ganda ni Boss. Kasama yung dating level? Pwede ka scan? System mo yun. Sabi mo yung tapos yung dito sa older ones, dito sa full open
So this file how I clean this and beginning class how I did this. And now today's part is that it's done.
Why you not watch the video? Nobody video the video.
Today I'm first day starting.
This is our second day. So you can catch up. We cannot adjust for you only because we have 6 students. We are
No, otherwise when the beginning class starting, so I can come home so that to pick up easily like book hours or but she told me when I looked at today it's coming from this week. So I
anyway, you can also you can catch up.
yeah.
Some
I will try, but I am beginning and so what is the
You can go to other
yeah, pick one more. Yeah,
now you can follow. Try to learn. It's not
What
only
is the
last one you can watch it. I mean, learn.
Yeah. Then I have to pick up this one.
Yes, because I cannot teach you from the beginning. We teach you that.
No, I mean, this is now last week you started this order.
Then this video is also recorded. You can study.
Just now only I'm opening what I am starting zero, no any real idea. That's the problem. Rest when the first starting me, so I can jump from that to pick up the that is easy to understand.
Yeah, I checked with them. Nice video first time.
He told me, okay, you can go and do some distance. Like, I don't know what it is. So you starting the class, but
Oh, yeah, I don't know what the students coming in. It's great, great.
Yeah, nahihito ako sa pag-split.
Okay, palitan mo lang ng material. Okay. Think you already got it, the splitting of the material. Of course, eventually this is this will base on your design. How do you want it to look like? Okay. So now let's do something else. So we did something for the roof. We did something for the wall. Now let's do something for this balcony. Let's create like a railing for your balcony. So in this balcony, let's create a railing. Let's go to the what is this? Level 2 floor plan. Okay, level 2 floor plan. Do you have your balcony similar to what I have? Okay. So wala pa. So if you don't have yet, click your slab on the second floor, level 2. Yeah. You go to level 2 floor plan. Here. Okay. So then click mo ito, Sergio. Okay. Yeah, you're in the plan view. This is plan view. Here, click this. Under the browser, level 2. Okay. So you can select your floor by clicking like that. It will highlight. Okay. And then we click edit boundary. Okay. So on your part, the magenta line is around the wall. So you can just click one line and then you can push and pull it to bring it outside. Something like that. Then the line here, you just push it outside to create a balcony. Okay. Also this, if you want to bring it like aligned to this, you can do that. So let's say on my part, I want to extend this. I want to not extend this. I'll just align it to this. Okay, so in Revit, once you click any line, especially when you're in edit mode, automatically the move command is coming out there. There is a small cross, then that means you can move it upwards or downwards. Okay. Then let's click check when you're done. That means finish edit mode. And then don't attach. Yeah. Okay, so you already have the balcony. Now it's time to create the railing. So remember, we are in level 2. So under architecture tab, railing, don't click the railing, click the arrow under the word railing. Okay. Then we choose sketch path. Okay. So by default, this will come out, the railing 1100 mm. That's fine. We can change it later. And make sure that you have the line right there. And let's click chain right here. Chain. Make sure you click chain.
The line first or the chain?
No, this is by default already there. Check the chain here. Okay? Ito, sa dulo.
Okay.
Now we are ready to draw something. We'll just draw from here, and then here, and then go to the left. Like that. Okay? So it's like a L shape. Once you're done, just press escape. So we'll just have this L-shaped line, and then click check. You already have your railing. This is the railing that you created. So if you want to change the type of railing, just select the railing. Once it's highlighted, click this railing. You can choose 900 mm pipe, which is this, or you can go for the glass panel, bottom flip.
Railing ko napunta sa
Ating napunta sa walang napunta sa walang
floor.
walang floor yata ito eh.
Oh. Ano kung slope eh? Ano ko?
Gawa ko muna. Tignan ko. Gawa naman. Fixin mo yung Isa lang yung ano eh.
Pili ka yung
Yan. I-stick mo naman.
Ganun dapat.
kaya.
Hindi. Yan ang
Pag-modify ito.
Ayan.
Nakakamat, may rin.
Yun. That's it.
Paano nagawa? Paano nagawa yung gusto na tayo ng ano na eh?
Pareho tayo kanina.
Paano ginawa mo natin mo?
Punta ko isang level 2, sir.
Ha?
Punta ko dito ulit sa level 2.
Okay.
Punta ko level 2 dito. Elite pat ako eh.
Ano?
Elite pat. Elite pat ako tapos nag-ano ko. Ginawa ko na rin. Dito sir o? Oo. Sa modify. Yun o. Pasok lang yan.
Paano extend yung
Elite pat.
Railing.
Ito na lang kayo na, hindi lang niya.
Oo, railing.
Sa modify? Sorry. Modify.
Modify. Elite pat.
Pitch part?
Oo.
Ito na.
Sketch pad, no? Sketch mo yung
Nasaan yung makita rin sa movie prices?
Iba na, take mo yung... Take mo sa 3D.
Ano siya ito yung sinasabi ko.
Wala pa rin ako nagawa. Tingnan. Ito mo lang. Ano dito?
Check pala yun.
Yung basa.
Sama na yan.
Babae na tinigot.
Kuwamos? Control? Tumakbo na. Ano rin? Tumakbo. Wala tuloy. Wala tuloy. Tingnan mo sa yun. Diba doon ka na? Ang nasa mo pa ko eh.
Kasi
Sabi nga sa labas ng ganito. Pag-click mo yung edit ito oh. Pag click mo ito, bumug na ito. Oh. Nilagyan mo lang. Oo, nilagyan ko lang. May stretch ka lang.
hindi ko sanay sa parang yung parang sanay sa pag-iingat.
Okay na?
Kasi yung ano, wala sa level 2 eh. Sa level 3,
Wala nalaglag kasi. Talagang
yan na. Tapos, yung ka nagiging
Already extension. Edit mo.
hindi ka pa rin check mo ulit. Kailan, nandiyan na naman yan. Ba't nawawala? Tinago mo siguro.
Kaya pag click mo yan, pag-click mo to, automatic lumalabas yan. Naman na ako.
Kaya yung dito yung ano, hindi ka na piling pumunta.
Meron na kasi yan. Paglit na yan. Okay, naman.
Gawa ka ng pundo.
Tapos ito, pwede mo yan eh. Kaya nangyari natin ganito, di ba? Tapi ito, click ball. Tapos space na natin. Paano yung maganda yan?
Ito sir, may pag-linya ako yan.
Ano yan sir, yan yung control niya kung
Tapos dito ba may nagkaroon ng level?
pwede mo naman i-delete. Ay, parang mas siguro yan. You have it?
He told me to find it on his
Yeah, you will watch it. That's the video.
Quick. Ang mga
Sir, pwede ba pwede mo pinili kung katuloy ko sa
Yun ang hindi sila. Unless, aalisin mo yung wall. Kasi okay lang, practice lang naman eh. Later mo na i-apply yung mga diskarte. Kasi eventually, kung halimbawa gusto mo para balay mo, gawin mo muna sa bahay. Baka mo na lang yan. So ngayon kasi parang pinag-alis ko natin yung ibang mga. So later mo na lang yun. Parang na-appreciate sa oo, pagka ganyan, meron mga active naman. Ano ba? Modify yung grade. Magpalitan. Ito isang. Active pala na yung kumagay. Oo, hindi naman ito lagi. Yung pag meron ng nag-highlight doon, yun yung mga o, hindi na doon. Parang doon na lang. Walang laglag eh, no?
Inikot mo rin.
Okay, so let's continue. So wall tayo sir, dito naman pasok naman tayo ngayon sa loob kasi wala pang partition yung mga walls natin. You remember, di ba? So let's go to level 1. Basta yung level 1, to Sergio, double click mo lang yung word itself, level 1. Pupunta ka sa level 1 yan. Okay? Wala pa tayong partition, no? Blanco pa yung bahay natin. So gawa tayo ng partition wall. So wall tayo uli, architectural. Tapos, pili tayo ng interior blockwork, 100. Yan, dito sa Qatar, yan ang standard. Blockwork 100. Tapos, bago tayo mag-drawing, bago tayo natin ilagay yan, make sure na ang base constraint natin is level 1. Okay? And then, 0 yung base offset. Top constraint will be level 2. Okay? So, pwede na tayo mag-partition. Let's say ako, dito lang ako mag-partition. So, diretso dyan. And then, maybe dito. And then another one here. Tapos siguro dito, lagyan ko rin ng partition. Dito siguro yan. This way. I can put another one here. And then maybe something like this.
Ang tingin niyo sa interior
Ayan.
Ano?
Ito wall. Yung interior blockwork 100. Okay? And then, pwede na tayo maglagay ng pinto. Architecture, door uli. We can choose the size. Usually sa loob, maliit lang naman ang door natin. Let's say 800 by 2134. And just place your door as you like. Yeah? Siguro ito kitchen. Yeah. Don't worry much on the design for now. Basta mahalaga ngayon, masundan natin. We can follow on the process. So, see, in Revit, you can easily move walls after you have placed them. So here, I place a wall inside. If I click on this wall, I can move it to the right. Even the doors, I can move it accordingly. Okay? And I can even add doors, add walls. Let's say I will add another wall here. Create similar. I'll create one wall here. Okay? Then let's say I don't want this door here. I will remove this door. And I'll create another door. I will put it here. Okay. Then let's say I want to have a wall opening here. I can arc. I will just have to click wall opening, this, select this wall, and then click and drag up to here. So I will have like a wall opening. So to see that, I need to view a section view. So click on the section here, and then let's cut a section from here going this way. Okay. Then right click on the section and go to view. That is now my section view. Now I can see this is the door wall opening. I can see the toilet door inside that. Okay, slowly the building is shaping up. By the way, what's your good name?
Akbar Basha.
Hmm?
Akbar Basha. Akbar Basha.
Akbar
Yes.
Basha.
Yes.
Okay, so that is Jom. This is Perf. What's your name?
Hi.
Harold, Rafi, and behind you,
Hi.
Jimmy. Okay, so everyone under stress. Don't worry, because they are all new. Also, zero knowledge. Okay, they're only ahead of you by 3 hours. Okay, because they learned last week. So don't worry, you will catch up. Everyone is a beginner. Okay, Akbar, did you get the video?
He told me send the link.
Okay, just in your WhatsApp, you will receive it. Okay, then just watch it, maybe half an hour. You can catch up. Okay. Okay. So did you get to prepare all the walls? So what we will do is we'll just make our life simple from the level 1. We will copy all the interior walls. Okay. So how do we do it? We select this and right click and you say select all instances visible in view. So all the types of wall which are 100 mm in thickness will be selected. Then we can add the doors that we like, let's say, but make sure you press control to add them to the selection. Let's say you want this and you want this. Say, okay, only those doors, except for this. This is the main door.
Kasi yun nasa ground floor tayo. Pero the ground floor, then eventually we go to the second level.
Yeah.
So we make in the wall, in the plan, the stick.
Yeah, later on we'll make stairs.
So sa plan, parang wala akong space for that.
We'll try to make some space. No worry. Okay. So we'll just we're now copying all the walls and we'll bring them up. Okay. Maybe we'll just put a lift. So we copy it to clipboard. Okay, and then paste align to selected levels. We put it to level 2 and level 3. Then okay. So if you go back to your section view, you will see that you already created the other walls for the upper floors. Okay. So now here we go for the stairs later on. We will place a stair. Maybe here. We'll just maybe move the door.
Paano pag mga sir nung open?
And did you miss it? Huh? So this is the wall opening that I have. I will remove it now so that we can do it again. I'll delete it. So you have a wall, straight wall. Better way is to select the wall where you want to place the wall opening and then click wall opening. Okay. Look, once you select the wall, the option for wall opening will come out. Okay. Then you click. This is a little bit tricky. Click again the wall opening. Click wall opening, and then click on the wall. Then hold your left mouse key and drag it to create the opening. Click and drag your left mouse, your left click.
Then enter.
Then done. Then just escape.
Escape. Hindi na po. Wall, opening. Wala, medyo tricky yan.
It's a short
Wala pa sir. May formal. Nawala ko eh. Wala sir. Wala.
Nasaan yung wall?
Ayan. Pero meron pa. Meron na. Wala pang wall. Ha?
Well, this wall, architecture.
Okay.
Parang section maliit lang.
Pero kasi yun na, wala yung pero hindi niya sa
Baka mataas lang yung set ng
Si dito naman. Yan. Kunwari may opening tayo dyan.
Para sa
Yan. Yun. Tapos, click mo yung section. Click. Yan. Yan. Click ka dito. Dito. Yan. Tapos, right click ka dito. Dito. Yan. Click mo ito. Yan. Right click. Sectional meaning. Tama na sir?
Ito yung computer na. Pero ba't may yung isa, hindi sa ano ko?
Baka nakita niyo yung word.
Saan yung second?
Doon, ano mo.
Task.
Pag click mo yung sir, ito.
Oh, sa
Sige ko na sino.
So, balik ako sa plan.
This was default there. This is your pen.
Sir, ano, palitan yung double door sa sangkan.
Sir, yung door. Gusto lang yun.
Ito lang.
Yung address.
Kaya pag nag-click mo yung may mga nasa yung mga pili natin.
Dito.
Kasi pag click mo yung code, diba? May yan siya. Pilihan ka kung ano doon siya. Pwede mo yung ano. Hanap pa ng iba. Hindi yung
Tapos yung at clean habang before eh. Hindi mo talaga makikita. So, sa yung party po. Paano dapat hindi yan? Dapat lagi pa rin.
Pero sa task na yun.
Yan, okay.
pumunting na ng vacation mo.
Feeling the
Paano yung hindi ka sa level 2, level 3? Paano yun? Ikaw sa level 2.
Hindi ka natin makikita.
Sa kaya nag-take ba yung
Ini mga dito mo. Pwede na dito.
Yan yung ano sa tatlo sa dito.
Okay. Saan na tayo?
yung pag-focus ng nanay?
Papakyat na. Diyan na tayo. So, kanina, we selected one, and then I right-click, then I select all instances visible in view. Okay? So it will select all the type of it will select all the type of walls that are similar. Then to add additional elements like doors, just press control, and then click the doors that you want to bring in as well. So that like that. Okay. Then when you're done, you just click copy to clipboard and then not paste here, paste this and look for align to selected levels and then put it to level 2 and level 3. I will not do it because I already copied it. So just select 2 and 3 and then click OK. Okay. So you will see that your walls and doors are already upstairs. Copy to clipboard. And then paste align to selected levels.
Paste align to selected. 2 and 3.
Yeah, 2 and 3. Okay, so now we have some interior walls. So as Architect Jom mentioned, we need stairs to go up, right? So to go up the stairs, we need to cut a hole.
Sir, paano yun, sir? Click.
Select mo isa.
Okay. Right click.
Select all instances visible in view. Select na, di ba? Tapos itagdag mo yung ibang pito. Click mo na yung control. Di ba? Tapos, ito. Ito clipboard. Tapos itong palitan. Align to selected level. Align mo yung tuloy. Not implementation. Siguro may visible in view. Yeah, dagdag mo yung ibang dito. Space. Parang may cut itong wall. Yung section
Hindi ko sa tuwan. Hindi ko yung hindi, skip mo muna. Ano ba yun? Last time kasi yung
may mga dinilit ka siguro. Ano? That's one of the things. Yan na muna, okay na muna yun.
Click mo muna yun.
Kailangan natin submit eh.
Click mo yun.
Ano sir, okay na? So let's try to apply some materials, okay? So you now created your walls. Later on after our, no, we don't have any chance for a short break now.
Yeah. Can you come to first floor? Inside the building?
Okay. So now we created the section.
First floor. Okay. Then take the lift going.
Make sure that the bubbles, that the grid bubbles is above your roof, okay? So in certain cases, if this is below your roof, what you can do is just make sure you select one and then you unpin it. There is a pin. Make sure you unpin it or unlock it, and then you can just simply move it up like that. So it will look nice for presentation. And then just pin it again afterwards. Okay? So now you already have finished walls inside. Okay? The missing element now to complete the building is at least some ceiling and some materials. Okay. Okay, so pay attention here now. Let's create some ceiling. Okay. This time we will not go to the floor plan. We will go to ceiling plan. Okay. We will just do one ceiling. But as you know, I will create one ceiling only on the level 3 here. But the problem is I don't see level 3. I have only level 1 and level 2. So how do we get that to appear? Go to your view tab and then plan view. There is reflected ceiling plan. Click that. Then there is the level 3. It's missing. Okay. So I'll just click OK. Okay. So now the level 3 is here. So now we are looking at the ceiling. So that's why we're now looking up. That's why we can see the line of the roof. Okay. So to create a ceiling, let's just create a ceiling at the 3rd floor. Okay. Later on, we can create other ceilings. So we go to architecture and go to ceiling. Make sure usually it is an automatic ceiling. Now we change the ceiling type to 600 by 600 grid. Click this. And then just make sure you hover your mouse slowly. Once you reach one room, it will highlight. Just click that. It will create a ceiling. Click that, it will create a ceiling. So each of the enclosed area will be created as a ceiling. So by default, look, if I select on my ceiling, you can see that the ceiling height is 2.6 meters right there. So for example, one of my ceiling, I want to make it a little bit higher. So this, if I want to make this 3 meters, I'll just edit that. I'll put 3,000. So now if I go back to my section view, which is this, section 1, I see now two different ceiling height. This is the ceiling 1, which is 3 meter height, and the other ceiling is level 3 ceiling, which is this, and it has a 2.6 meter height. Okay, we will not do the ceiling for the other floors. This is just good for now. Oh, ceiling. Madali lang yan.
Property, sir.
You go to
Properties.
level 3 tayo. You go to level 3 ceiling. Level 3 ceiling plan. Make sure it is here. Okay? Baka wala ka sa ceiling plan. Yun ang problema natin. Hindi natin malaman kung wala sa So, na. Hindi meron eh. Yan. Hindi natin yung plan. Ano ba muna sa level? Kailangan ng level. Wala na. Select mo kung gusto mo pala ko na ito. Select yung Pili. Pili. Pili na rin. 60 by 60. Yan. Okay na. Saan?
Ano sa ceiling siya?
Tingnan mo yung section 1 mo.
Saan?
Yan. Kasi sa ilaw naman magtuturo sa iyo.
Healing.
Kaya, click mo lang yan. Yan. Ay, mamaya. Sige, okay lang. Kaya sige mo lang. Ito yung may 60 by 60. Yun. Gusto mo ba ito? Tingnan mo ang doon yung pin. Kaya, bilhin mo.
Sir, dito sa ano? Sir, kaya palitan yung plan mo. Madali naman para mo. Ano siya mo gawin? Technique na pati ko na lang.
Hindi na lang ito.
Oo.
So, usually, marami ko na kaya.
Yung opening dito.
Bigyan ako. Ito yung mga
Ay, mabago na 1K na.
ano siguro, nag-go din na yung ceiling mo. Select mo na lang kung hindi. Then, yan.
Okay, maganda.
Sir, pwede i-drop yung opening. Pwede.
Ngayon, nag-visit si Kuya na education that
Delete mo na yung mga sir. Delete mo yung advice mo sir.
Automatic na natin sa
Who is this one? Tinawaran mo sikat ka. Nag-post ka ng pictures mo. Hanggang siya sa tapat ng natin. Sabi ko kaya, sabihin mo lang na bumisot yun.
Malinis na.
Sabi ko na, pinag sila.
pinagbago siya sa ano? Yung bali niya level 1 sa ano ba?
Kasi level 3 yan. Sample lang. Practice nyo na lang. Okay, so that's how you create the ceiling. So to modify the ceiling in terms of changing the type of ceiling, for example, I have this ceiling. By the way, if you hover on the ceiling and it does not select like this, see, if I move my mouse here, there's a blue line that highlights the ceiling, right? But if that does not appear on your computer, that means your selection tool is not checked here. Make sure that the select elements by face is checked. Yan. Modify. Under modify, merong select dyan. Click that and then make sure you select element by face is checked. Okay? So that means now if you hover here, you select that, you can change the type of ceiling. You can make it 600 by 1200. It will be something like that. Okay. And if you select it also, you have the chance to modify it. If you want to change the height to 800, it will be something like that. Okay. Say this is your toilet. If you want to change the type of ceiling to plain, you can make it plain ceiling. That is now a plain ceiling. Okay. So that is ceiling. You just need to practice it for the other floors. Okay. Just make sure you are in the ceiling plan and correct level. So now let us go back to the 3D view. Okay, we can see the 3D view now. Now let's practice what we learned last week about the section box. Remember the section box? So if you're in the 3D view, look at your properties here, wherever it is, left or right. Make sure you check section box under the second column here, which is extents. There is section box. Okay, check that. Okay, and this will appear. The section box will appear here. Under properties, look here, it's right there. No, dapat nasa 3D view ka. When you're in the default 3D view, tapos puntahan mo to yung lumalabas ba yung 3D view dyan?
Oo, tumalabas.
Puntahan mo yung sa baba.
Meron lang silang view.
Sige pa, meron dyan section box. Section box. Click mo yan. Lalabas na yan, tingnan mo.
Dapat
Okay. So now when you have it, we can now control and see the inside of our building. You can click that and we can push it towards here. Now you can see the inside of our building. See, you can now see the building that we created. We have the ceiling here in the 3rd floor and we have the walls in the inside. Okay, so now let's go to materials. Yan. Tapos,
Parang section.
yan. Yan.
Parang section.
Yan. Huwag yan. Yan. Lalabas niya ako. May galaw. Ano na? Tapos yun, doon mo ito. Sige mo lang. Yan. Oo. Yan. 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 Tapos, okay na. Hilahin mo itong asul na ito. Sino mo na po? Yan. Hilahin mo yung hilahin mo yung box ulit. Yan. Ito yung control. Yan. Tulak mo doon. Di ba? Yan. Di ba? Oo. Di ba? Ganyan ang control dyan. Ano sa ito? Yun. Okay. Slowly we can now control our. So let's now go to materials. Okay, so when this happens, and for example, you want to save this view. Okay, if you want to save this view, like a cropped 3D view, let's say you want to adjust this here because you already did some work, you want to save what you did. So let's say you want to fix the view, something like this, okay? Maybe you can lower this a little bit, yeah, okay? If you want to save this view, just like this, what we will do is we click on this house here and click unlock 3D view. When you click it, it will be locked. Make sure you save orientation and lock view. O, ulitin natin ha. It is right here. Once you are decided with your view, click on this, unlock 3D view, and then save orientation and lock view. Then save, make sure you save the project. Then this will come. Yeah, then you can name it, let's say ISO cropped view. Okay. Now, you cannot move this view anymore, but you can zoom in and out, but it will not be removed anymore. It is already there. And if you click again your 3D view, this will come. You have another view. So your 3D view is already locked. If you click on this, you already have that ISO crop view. You can go back there and this will be here. Okay? Meron ka na bang ISO view? Dito lang yan. I-click this one.
Yung bahay.
Yung may lock.
Unlock.
Click. Tapos itaas mo yung save orientation and lock view. Okay?
Default.
Ikaw na bahala kung anong gusto mong ilagay. Okay? Okay, so now let's try to create some materials for your building so that when we create another rendering today, it will be better. Last time, we don't have any material on the wall yet. So for now, let's go back to the 3D view, the default 3D view. So if I click on this realistic, what you see is green roof and maybe gray wall. Oh, okay, it's a gray wall. And then for me, it's a gray roof. Maybe some will have, do you have gray roof also? We want to change this, no? So what will happen? Yeah, so for now, keep it like this, but let's put it to consistent colors only. Or shaded. That's better. If it's unshaded, the roof is green. Okay? So what we'll do now, we select on the roof. Okay, follow me closely. Select the roof. Okay, make sure that your roof is basic 125 mm. Okay, then click edit type. Okay, this will come out. Okay, and here we click on the structure edit. Click the edit. Oh, everybody can follow. You want everyone to follow. Okay, click edit. Then this will come out. Then here on the number 2 row, we have the category, structure, and then the material is by category. You click that, there will be 3 dots. Then this will come out. Sunod? I will repeat it. I need you to follow because we're running out of time. I will cancel, okay? I will do it again. All right? Your roof is highlighted. Okay? Follow me closely. Click edit type here. Okay, this will come out. Everybody can follow. And then click structure here. Edit. Edit structure. Okay? First line. Then this will come out. Then here on the second row, we have by category. Click that. Then you will see that 3 dots. Yeah. Then click the 3 dots. This will come out. Mabas? Now we search roof. Type here roof. Okay? Now we look for the roof material, the roofing tile, this one. You found the roofing tile? Now click that. Okay? And then here in the graphics, on the second tab, make sure you click use render appearance. Okay? Then here in the appearance, it will look like something like that. Okay, and then click apply, and then okay. And then,
Graphics.
ito ko na.
Yung graphics. Yung surrender na pinasa.
Oh, you send the check that.
Sige.
Yeah, okay na yan. Apply mo na, okay.
Saan apply niya siya? Okay na?
Yeah, okay na yan. Okay.
Okay na to, sir?
Ako, di ko na feeling ko.
Okay na dito, sir?
Okay na,
Hindi ko na yung room.
Okay na.
Yeah, okay na yan.
Get okay na. Hindi, once sige lang ko. Kita si Pima.
Slowly, it is negotiate. Let's do it. Okay na.
Ano yung makita render lang?
Oh,
Ano yung render, sir? Review?
mamaya tayo mag-render. Mamaya muna tayo mag-render. We will render all together. Okay? So let's click OK here. Let's give our wall a little bit of a treatment at least. So let's say if I put my consistent. So I did not save, so that's my problem, right? Edit type. I go to my this again, and I have my roof. Okay, click OK. Okay, okay, and then okay. It's not showing. Because I am not in my existing folder. I mean, my not realistic. Okay, that's realistic. So let's select one wall, one wall, the plain wall, not the walls that you created earlier. This wall. This is the generic wall, so we'll have a paint on it, at least white. So we edit the type. Then you go to edit. Same way.
Basic wall, ang kukunin.
Yeah, the plain wall that you have. Okay. Then click edit type. Same way, click edit. Again, I want everyone to follow. Okay.
Ano yung view na, sir?
No, nobody left behind. Again, in the 3D view, huh?
Okay.
Put it to realistic. Di, wala pa tayo sa edit type. Be in the 3D view muna, like this. Okay? So get one of the wall. Select one of the walls. Okay? Then click here. In the properties, there is edit type. Okay? Found it? Oh, going. Now, same way that we did for the roof, we click now the structure, edit. Then, under the column of material by category, click that. And again, click the 3 dots. Okay. Okay. Now we will just use, let's say paint. Okay. We'll use the clad white. Clad white. Okay. The first one, clad white. Okay. It will be white. Okay. And then graphics. Make sure it use render appearance. Apply. Okay. Okay. Apply. Okay. Now it's a white building now. Okay.
Sir, hindi ba yung ano, sir? Sorry. Yung graphics.
Oh,
Kasi exist na okay na naman.
okay na.
Wala akong sa kinsa.
Ayan, blood boy. Okay.
Okay. Tapos, okay ulit. Apply mo na.
Okay rin, sir. Umuti na yun, sir.
Apply mo na. Apply mo na, sir. Apply mo na.
Oh, apply or direct okay. Yeah, I think that's it. So you have now a nice white building. So I think we are ready to make a nice 3D rendering this time. Okay? But let's introduce some entourage or some additional elements at our exterior. So let's go to our site plan. Let's put some lamp posts outside and maybe some seating area. Okay. So when everybody in the site plan now. Okay, let's go to the massing and site. Okay, and then click site components. Okay, we don't have much site components, only these trees. No, so what we'll do, we load family. Okay, load family. Now this will go to your library. The problem is, hopefully you have your library. If you don't have, this is a problem. We will now go to our site. Yeah. English, US.
Sa masking site, masking site, ano?
Okay, I will do it again. Okay, don't worry, I will do it again. We're in the site plan. Okay, we click site components. Okay, and then we click load family. Load family.
Yes, masking and site. Masking and site. Yeah.
Okay, load family. Now I will bring in some. Make sure you are in the libraries folder, then English, then US. We will check that later on. Okay, if you don't have, that's a problem. So we'll go to let's say lighting, architectural, external. Let's get some street light, or let's get some nice street light. Okay, antique street light. Click open. Yeah. So it's okay. It is actually in the lighting, so it's okay. We will not put that. But just go to where is that? Site. Go to site, and let's go to accessories. Let's bring in park bench. Okay. Open that. Yeah. So you can put a bench somewhere in your property. Okay. And then for the lighting, we'll do like this. Go to your systems. Click on the lighting fixture. Can you find it or no? No, lighting fixture is in the projects. We will load. Now we'll go back to the library. Go to lighting, architectural, external, and then now we get the street light antique. Click open. So now we can put this lighting somewhere. Say I will put some lighting here and there. Maybe some here. Yeah.
Paano pag-load nun, sir? Straight line? Wala sa akin yata, sir.
Wala palabas sa US.
Ito, sir.
Oo, wala pa.
Straight line.
Yan. Ako na sa system.
Jesus.
Ganun na. Akala.
Dagdagan siya, ano? Dagdagan kain.
Fish root analysis structural factors.
Para sa tulis. Okay, ito picture.
Sir, wala. Sa akin siya pag
Ayun ang problema, sir.
Plus,
O, kaya na lang. Kailangan mong download. Ano ba itong version mo?
yung ano.
Okay.
Kasi ako na.
Okay lang. Ilagay na. Kailangan mo mag-download.
Paano mo dala?
Kaya lang nakay... Okay, yes, you got the
Dito.
Ano yan? Wala ka na net. Ito, sir, may library.
Sir, ito sir.
Download ka, di ba?
Paano? Paano mag-download?
Mag-register ko.
Pero tapos?
Download.
Sign in mo muna.
Sign in.
Email mo dyan.
Email lang.
Sign in mo muna sa internet. Para makagawa tayo ng rendering. Pwede na. Meron na sila.
Wala akong bench.
Walang bench? Meron yan sa site. Punta ka sa Massing Insight. Dito ka dapat sa Massing Insight. Tapos click mo yung site components.
Massive. Site components. Ano talaga click multiple?
Ginamit mo na
Cancel mo. Yan. Sa massive.
Tapos,
sir, nakalagay na. Nakalagay na.
Lagi na. Okay. Search mo. Meron dyan search bar. Revit 2023 concepts.
Sir, excuse me. Hindi lumabas yung ano. Sir, hindi nga rin. Excuse me. Yan na. Hindi lumabas. Sana.
bukan dia yang pada nakalaki.
Ano yung dinaload niyo sa box na ano?
Yung ano siya, English.
English, French, German, Korean. Ito, US English.
Automatic na yun doon, sir.
Yung basic mo, mobile ko dyan.
Hindi pa. Kasi,
Sige, mas.
Ayan. Ganyan na lumabas.
yang mana di
Buka mo na lang ang building. Makakatahan sa site lang, mga sites.
Okay na to, sir. Ito na siguro, sir. May lighting na ako. Okay na to.
Okay na, double click na lang.
Ito. Okay na.
Yan, yan, yan mo na.
Yeah, tayo.
Ayan na. Ayan na.
Paano pag-adjust ng camera?
Pwede. Sir, paano yung baliwag? Ito pa. Yun. Space bar. Watching.
Huh?
Sir, yes. Sir,
I'm
yes.
watching on you there.
Double.
Class also double.
Double.
Here, there.
Sir, yes. Yes.
Oh, yes.
Ano
You
sir?
replay it, you go back to
Keep mo muna. Okay, yan. Escape mo muna. Tapos select mo. Tapos
Space bar lang, sir.
space bar lang pala siya.
Install, ano? Hindi ko siya. What's the time? Do we have time to make something wonderful? Yeah, we have time.
Tapos
Come.
install pa ako sir. Baka may walang.
Okay lang, note ka lang, sir. Ngayon lang sa bahay. Okay. So, if you are rendering, cancel the rendering. We will do something. We will do a walkthrough. Okay? Walkthrough. So, when you are, we must be in the site plan. Okay? Now, we will go around the building and have a nice video. Okay? So, when you're in the site plan, click this house, the default 3D view. There is a, you usually do the camera now. Now we do the walkthrough. Click walkthrough. Okay. Don't touch anything yet. Now start somewhere where you want to start. Let's say we start from here. And then I keep going.
I have to save the
No, that's okay.
No, you have to save your project.
Yeah, save it. It's okay. Oh, I will do it again. Don't worry. I will cancel this, undo. Okay. So again, I will do it. Walk through. Okay. We'll just go around the house. Okay. I'll click from here. Click again. Click again. Click again. Going around the house. And like this. And like this. Okay. So finish walkthrough. Then we're not done yet. Select the line. Oh, sorry. What happened? It's there. The walkthrough is there already. Click the walkthrough one. Okay.
Escape.
Wait. You will have now a folder where you have the walkthrough. Then when you select the walkthrough, you will adjust your crop view. Okay. Do you have the same now?
Kailangan i-close yung ano sir, yung lock sir.
Oo.
Yung sana yung
Tapos?
i-double click mo. Palagi yung class yung
Okay, wait. Once you have this view, what we'll do, select the box outside, watch it, and then we click edit walkthrough. Okay, this will come out. Then put this to 0, the frame 0. Okay, this is now the beginning of your journey. Okay, we'll adjust it a little bit like that. Maybe make sure that the building is in the middle. Now, like that. Now we'll adjust it. Wait, you make sure you say no. We're not done yet. So we'll just do it black and white. to begin with. Okay? Just like that. And now, they know? Okay. Nangyari na. Okay, select this, edit walkthrough, and then play. Make sure you're in frame 1 and then play. We'll move now.
So, paano i-save yung walkthrough? Hindi ano sa akin.
Ano ba naman na?
Wala.
Yan. May gusto na, di ba? Start pa lang naman din. Pwede pa naman natin bayad.
Ito siya.
Tanda na?
Hindi ko na sundan yung Dermax.
Ano yung makita yung ilalim mo? I-ano? I-zoom in? Yan pa yun, makita yung ilalim?
Ilalim.
Yan. Ano ini? Man, sino man ang yan. Oh. Yung sa angle of your camera, but next time you can adjust. Yung view ng
Ito ganito.
Ano i-adjust siya? Ay,
Don't worry, next week we will do another walkthrough. This is just your preview on that. You will learn more.
Yung camera lang yan. Ano i-edit mo sa? Pucha ko muna sa mo.
Well, magic, punta sa ilalim.
Bailan.
Ang bilis na kaya ng camera na.
Paano mag-ano sir?
Paano ayusin yung ano sa
Baka yung pagka-click nyo ang konti, pagka-dinamihan mo yung click mo, parang damage.
bago yung ano niya, projection niya.
Let's do it again. One more view. Okay, we still have a few minutes. Okay, let's go back. Don't worry, we'll make another walkthrough. Okay. You will do it better now. So let's go back to site plan. I will close this walkthrough. Okay, and go to site plan. Again, the same way. Walkthrough. So now you know what we are doing, right? So let's say, make sure you click as much as you can. So click one here. Then 1, 2, because this will determine the number of seconds that your camera will be playing. So if you go around like that, okay, you go like this, like that, that's okay. Then you finish the walkthrough. Okay. If you click on this,
From the site, then first what do you do?
you go to your house and you have the walkthrough then. Okay.
After
Yeah. Then you edit the walkthrough. Okay. You can actually click previous keyframe until you reach the 0. Until you reach the beginning. But now you're in the beginning, and then you just play. Okay. It will be like that because you're in the top view. Okay, that's okay. Then you can just let it finish first. So if you have neighbors, you will see the neighbors. So I will now open the walkthrough. Now in the walkthrough, you can adjust your view. Because sometimes you did not see the entire building. So you can adjust it as much as you can. Something like that. And then once you are here, you can again play. Then you will see how it moves. Okay?
Pero hindi ma-play sir, ano yung nangyari?
Magpe-play yan.
Nangyari pag gano'n.
Kasi wala ka play. Open mo.
Yung
nasa one line.
Diba? Sir, paano tumasok yung entry na sa open?
Hindi, ang problema niya, sobrang lapit lang ng
Ano ba sir, hindi umaga?
Yung sobrang lapit kung paano. Ang dapat. So yung okay lang yan, i-adjust natin yan. Okay? Ano lang yan? Gawin natin ang way.
Paano sir, order?
That's brown.
Okay, don't worry, next week we will put color, we will put background. Don't worry, it will be nice, okay? And then we'll keep learning a few more architectural elements, and then you will have a nice presentation. Don't worry. Okay, it's not just a 3D view; it is a walkthrough. Okay, last 2 minutes.
Ipa-play kang lang ito din na tayo.
Ito din na tayo ngayon.
May pagdaan ka.
Kaya kapag pinalabas sa frame mo, yung angulo na lang siya. Kung sa English.
Next week, pwede naman maaga tayo. May date si sir.
Nalaman na sa...
Sobrang lang din.
Yan. Important doon. Yan.
Dito na.
Alam mo yung angulo ko, itatang ko saan, di ba? Pilit ko ito.
Hindi pa pwedeng individual na po.
Kasi pagka medyo malaki na, ulitin lang. Ayun na para mabilis lang. Each camera, each ano mo, each keyframe, pwede natin. So next week we'll go back to our usual 6:30, but you can come a little bit early. I will be here as early as 6 to help you with your personal project, with your individual project. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, save it, save it. I will now stop the share. Thank you, Emily. See you next week. If you have any question, don't hesitate to send me a message in WhatsApp. I will help you.
Sir.
Okay. And